In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen mode in Google Chrome. We all know that sometimes, when you're deep into work or enjoying a video, Chrome decides to take over your entire screen. While this can be quite immersive, it's just not feasible when you need to quickly switch tasks or multitask. So, let's get you back to your usual browsing experience without the full screen consuming your view. First of all, if you're using Windows or Linux, the most straightforward way to exit full screen mode is to press the F11 key on your keyboard. F11 is your quick toggle button between full screen and windowed mode. So, the next time you find yourself stuck, remember that a simple tap on F11 can pull you right out. For those of you on a Mac, the exit strategy is just a bit different. Simply hover your mouse towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see 3 buttons appear. Click on the green button, which should have 2 diagonal arrows pointing towards each other. This action will automatically take you out of full screen mode. Now, if your keyboard shortcuts didn't work, or you prefer using the mouse, here is an alternative method applicable to all operating systems. Move your cursor to the top of your screen to reveal the browser's menu bar. In the menu bar, click on the View option. From the drop-down list, select Exit Full Screen to return to a regular window mode. This handy method involves a couple more clicks but remains simple to execute. Another tip specifically useful when you're watching videos in full screen or using certain applications that allow for escape shortcuts is to press the ESC key. Many video players respond to this command to exit full screen, making it a common go-to key. If you've tried all of these methods and are still stuck, you might want to check if an extension is overriding the basic browser commands. Extensions can sometimes take control of certain functions, so consider temporarily disabling extensions and trying again. Always remember, whether you navigate using the keyboard or mouse, you have multiple options to control your browsing experience. Familiarity with these shortcuts can save you time and hassle, making your internet navigation smoother and more efficient. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Tackling full screen mode doesn't have to be a giant mystery, so try to remember these pointers when Chrome decides to go for a full screen takeover. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and guides.